This is your Nokia Smart Watch. It looks like and is worn exactly as a normal watch. However, it can do a lot more than tell you the time. When you are wearing the watch, it can track your activity, including the distance you walk and how many steps you take in a day. It can also track your sleep and will tell you the time you spend awake, the time you spend asleep, and how often you wake up at night. It is waterproof and can be worn all the time, even in the bath or shower. For the watch to work, all you really have to do is wear it. To see your readings and keep track of your activity and sleep, you will need to open the Nokia HealthMate app on your iPad. You will see the words looking for your tracker appear on the screen. Your tracker means your smartwatch. You will then see the words connecting to your device. Finally, you will see the word synchronizing. This means that all the information from your watch has updated to your iPad. When you are finished, you can return to the home screen by pressing the home button.